A mound of sand at a rock crushing plant is growing at the rate of the volume is equal to 2/10 times the quantity t cubed plus 1, where v is the volume of the sand in cubic meters and t is the time in hours. When is the volume equal to 549 meters cubed? Okay, so we have our formula, so let's write that down. Volume is equal to 2/10 times the time cubed plus 1, where we know that V is the volume of the sand in cubic centimeters. I'm going to write that like that. And T is the hours. So what have they given us? They've given us the volume. They want to know when. So when means time. And they gave us the volume, which is 549 cubic meters. So I simply have to solve for t. So if I substitute this in, I have 549 cubic meters is equal to 0.2 times, well, I'm looking for t, so I'm going to leave that as t. So since I want to get t by itself, I have to divide by 0.2 on both sides before I can do anything else, because this is one number in parentheses. So for this kind of problem, I'm going to use my calculator. So I'm going to do 549 divided by 2/10, and I find that I get 2,745 meters cubed, which equals t cubed plus 1. So now I subtract 1 from both sides, and I get 2,744 meters cubed is equal to time cubed. So in order to undo a cube, the inverse function is the cubed root. So I have to take the cubed root of both sides. So I'm going to use my calculator, and I'm going to go to math. Oh, before I do that, I just realized I needed to subtract 1 from this, but that's okay. I'm going to go to math, and I'm going to pick number 4 for the cubed root, and I'm going to put in 2,744. Always get in the habit of closing your parentheses, and that gives me 14. So that means I have 14 hours, because my units are in hours, is equal to my time. So that's how long it would take for the mound to get this large.